Okay, let's have a look at question 3. So we need to simplify this bracket and I need to give my answer as a power of 2. Okay, let's see what we need to do with that. So this is where our indices rules come in. I've got something in brackets and all those things are being multiplied and that is being raised to a power of 2. So here we're going to apply the rule of if I've got a to the b to the power of c, that's going to be to a to the power b times c. Okay, so I'm going to basically multiply everything by 2 in terms of the powers. So what do we get? I'm going to get 2 to the power minus 5 times 2 multiplied by 2 to the power 8 times 2. So that gets me 2 to the power minus 10 multiplied by 2 to the power 16. Okay, now I'm at this stage. I've sorted the bracket out, taking care of that. Now I've got the same base, so it's a base 2. I'm multiplying them and I've got these powers here. So here we can use the rule, if I've got a to the power b times by a to the power c, then what we can do is have a to the power b plus c. So it's my multiplying, so it's my adding rule in there. So what do I get? That would be 2 to the power minus 10 plus 16. So that equals 2 to the power 6. And that is my final answer. Okay, don't need to do any multiplying. Leave it as my power of 2.